bona eyabinto bayithinta bayisa elaboratory yabona ukuze bahlole ukuthi yini inkinga ephethe lo yamuntu loyana. Fortunately ngangena kancane kwa medicine but ngashiya phakathi yabona. So ngiyazi ukuthi ka medicine kwenzakalani uyabona. Kodwa ulwazi lolo lincane enginalo kwa medicine akuhlukile ngapha nangapha kuyafana. Umehluko ukuthi laba baka traditional bango spiritual because they can foresee things before they happen and they can foresee things what has happened before. So sikhona ukubona ingemumva siphinde sibone futhi in the future. And what is important ukuthi engifisa ukuthi ngikucacise la kulapheni kwendabuko. Kunomthetho obekiwe Act number 22 of 2007 esisawucubungula thina njengabelaphi bendabuko. Esisawuhlaziya ukuthi kahle kahle abelaphi bendabuko iziphi izinto ezingakwazi ukuthi sisebenzise njengabelaphi zimukeleke emphakathini nokufukela kwamalungelo esiguli. Ngoba isiguli sinamalungelo aso kufanele futhi sivikeleke. Ngifisa ukuthi ngiyicacise lento. Akukho umuthi owake wasindisa umuntu noma uvule inhlanhla yomuntu ngesicubu somuntu. Ayikho lokho. Whether noma is people living with albinism noma a normal person, akukho lokho. Into esilimaza kakhulu esiyibonile kwi sector yethu nesisayilwa njengamanje sisalwa nendaba ye media business because media business is promoting witchcraft as if it's traditional medicine. Traditional medicine as njoba ngishilo ukuthi ayihlukile naka west iyafana but umehluko yilo spirituality lo. So problem esinayo laphana kwa media business bathatha lezi izinto ezingama element ze book of wizard bazipromote as if ngazathi ukulapha kwendabuko. Thina sihlangana nendaba yegroup na yonke lezi zinto ekhulunywa ngazo ayikho lonto ekulapheni kwendabuko. Thina siyasindisa impilo zabantu futhi sisazoyilwa lento yokuthi kuhlukunyezwe amalungelo abantu abaphila nebala elimhlophe. Ngiyakujabulela lokho engikubonile ukuthi ukhehlelezi uze wagcina icala lemlahla ngoba bepromota okungekona okungokulapha kwendabuko.
Ngisacela ukubuza umbuzo azowunotha ngenzela ungawukhohlwa ngoba nango MC yabona. Yini indaba bebeningi nathi? Beniyephi babushabalala sinidinga enkantolo? Beniyephi babushabalala kugeyizwa ngegama lenu enkantolo? Leyo mpendulo mawuqala usuphendula abantu abazokubuza uyoqala ngalombuzo ukuthi beniyephi ukhehlelezi esho njalo benu ngezinto enizenza kithi ethi nimvumelile. Angisho ukuthi nima attack ubuzwa yimi ngoba nginalawo manje because we even wrote email yokuthi abeze sizoba ndawonye ukuzolwisana nento eshiwo ngathi kuma YouTube channels abazange bavele. Kunodokotela udokotela wami Jehova uNkulunkulu ave muhle uvele ake tshayeleni ama delegates eParliament izandla. Hayi guys aniyazi into welindo iParliament elalisemajuba ama delegates akhona la ane albinism raise ukuthi Thembi sukuma ma usilwise nansinto yokuthi asinayo udokotela sashonelwa udokotela uNtombela obekade sisiza kakhulu ngesimo sika COVID sasala singanawo hayi sangena nevalo eprovinceni safike sathi sicela udokotela ozoye emajuba namhlanje umthembu khona ngicela sithi listen carefully ukuthi ngempela ukuzinakekela kubaluleke kangakanani. Ngiyakholwa nje ukuthi uImeta usibizile and uImeta njengoba sihlangene la usenzela into enhle and uImeta ukokotile eminyangweni ukuthi angikwazi ukubiza abantu abane albinism ngibasuse ngo9 ngo9:30 basuke erank baze bazofika ehholo kuleli langa elishisa kangaka. Unayo into ozothi mase siphuma ngomnyango sikhangeze sunscreen sikhangeze igqoko because into okufanele ukuthi iyenzeka it's by right yethu ukuthi kufanele sikwenze. Uzositshela la udokotela ukuthi we were wrong. Thina asivumelekile ukuba ngaphandle between u9 no4 ngoba lelo langa liyashisa but sirespecte uImeta ngoba unenhliziyo yokusebenzisana nathi. So ukhona sunscreen esizohamba siwutholile la. Ngicela ukunikeza udokotela uMthembu udokotela womfana wami lo udokotela wethu abewuthi mawufika eKing Edward uthi aniphelele mabe ngakafiki. So nje siyambonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu ake nishayeleni uhulumeni izandla uhulumeni olalelayo ngoba wasizwa siyabantu abane-albinism ukuthi sicela udokotela eMajuba wamletha uMthembu. Over to you dokotela.
Wow, ngiyabonga kakhulu, what a beautiful introduction. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngibingelele nonke nomphakathi. Ngibingelele nozakwethu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngaleli thuba eningiphe lona lokuthi ngikhulume nge-topic that is very, very important. Not just with society, but amongst us as odokotela, and more especially Tina singama dermatologist. Then prepare a presentation la thinking kuzoba a projection, but ngiyabona ukuthi ayikho so because I fake ithombe la ebengifisa niyibone kodwa abazokwazi ukubona sizokujabulela lokho but mina ngingasabonanga ke. If you want to ningeza nizobuka maybe mase kuphelile la because ngibona ukuthi ama pictures are very important. So, and another disclaimer, ngesikhathi ngiyenza the presentation angizange ngicabange ngesiZulu yonke into ngiyenze ngeEnglish. So as we go along ngizozama uku-interpreta ngesiZulu kodwa isiZulu sami mesitshekile senizongixolela. Njengoba esengi-introduceile uMrs Madlala kamnandi, igama lami Dr. Mthembu, ngisebenza emadadeni, dermatologist laba babizwa ochwepheshe besikhumba. I'm the overall in charge for ama dermatology services emadadeni. She has been my patient actually for the past 4 years. So yeah, seeing a familiar face that I adore so much. So without any further ado, I'll get into my talk, which is obviously the albinism. So in albinism is group yama disorders esiwabiza ama autosomal recessive genetic disorders, right? Ngizomchazela kahle ngalokho as we go along, but just keep it in mind. It's a group of ama disorders esiwabiza nani ama autosomal recessive genetic disorders. And enzani alika ekuthenini esikhumbeni ungabi ne-melanin, i-pigment esiyibiza ne-melanin ingabi khona at all or ibe khona kodwa ibe ncane esikhumbeni. But it not only affects isikhumba, i-melanin i-affects isikhumba but also i-affecta namehlo, iphinde i-affecte ney'nwele, ama-hair follicles, right? So as in Kazile, that's what albinism is. I tried to get a picture from the internet. I don't like this picture, but the way it's so missing best. It is totally, basically, it's just a depiction here is esikhumba masikiwe in a section and a cross section. So ikhombisa ama-skin cells nama-melanocytes. So for every 10 skin cells, you have 1 melanocyte efika into lawo skin cells about 10. So basically, maphakathi your melanocyte, which is the cell lesinikeza umbala, you have melanin eproduced phakathi. So into eyenzakalayo kwi-albinism is that i-melanin le ephakathi kuma-melanocytes ayiproduceki kahle. So i-problem is i-production yayo le-pigment esibiza nge-melanin and ne-transport yayo. Because once isiyakhekile phakathi kwi-melanocytes fanele iphume iyongena kuphi kuma-skin cells ukuze sithole umbala. So the transport is a problem and the production with the biosynthesis yayo iyo inkinga esenza ukuthi singabi nawombala. And then a little bit about the albinism, predominantly in South Africa. Before we chaza lokho nona ngidida kakhulu. Ngifuna ukuba as simple as possible. Ngikhuluma nomphakathi not abantu dokotela, so ngizama ube simple ngoba into ebaluleke kakhulu ukuthi nizwe, we understand and have a take home from that. So we generally sinama types e-albinism awu-7, ne? But a-common kakhulu awu-4. Amabhuku amaningi akhuluma ngawo-4, but in actual fact awu-7. The 4 that are common, we have type 1, the albinism, type 2, the type 3, and type 4. In type 1, we get 1A or B. But then, basically, our genes, the different types of our genes are and also, like for example, type 1, that's where you get those that are very pale with very white hair. And then type 2, you get white skin, but the hair can be a bit brownish, not a bit brownish. And then type 3 is your rufous albinism, orangish red, name orangish red. And then type 4 is type 2. It's more common in Japan, and the difference is each gene they were alive. Now in South Africa, in the common with type 2. Type 2 is one of prevalent, especially amongst teens, and also interesting to know is that for every 3,900 people within South Africa, 1 person in the albinism. Okay, and then also type 3, don't remain now, rufous albinism, but in as much as it generally affects about 1 to 2% of the world population, and common in South Africa, in as much as so the population there now, it's more common like South Africa, type 3. Right? And then remember, ngokuthi albinism ithelelana ngokuthi autosomal dominant or ufuzo autosomal dominant uqonda ukuthini ngithi autosomal dominant uqonda ukuthi umama mengabe enegene carrier, umama unombala kodwa phakathi kuyena uyi-carrier, nobaba ngokunjalo unawo umbala kodwa uyi-carrier. Kwenzakalani? Umntwana mebe nabantwana abawu-4, oyedwa umntwana uzoba ne-albinism, and then abawu-2 bazoba ama-carriers, bazoba nombala kodwa bazoba nama-carriers, and then 1 child izoba nombala and ingabi carrier. Yeah, I wish they no questions today. Okay, and then we said if one parent is a carrier and one parent has albinism, so the other side to it is if umzali oyedwa menayo i-albinism, umbala mungekho, and eba nomkhonyana, for example, onawo umbala oyi-carrier, uqonda ukuthi 50% bengane abazoba nawo bazoba ne-albinism, right? So if beningane eziwu-4, umama uphila naye albinism, ubaba akaphili ne-albinism kodwa uyi-carrier phakathi kuyena unayo i-recessive gene yakhona. Futhi bebezala abantwana abawu-4, abawu-2 bazoba nayo, abawu-2 ngeke beze bebe nayo, bazoba nombala. Okay. Right, and then if bobabili abazali bephila naye albinism, kwenzakalani? 100% of iy'ngane zabo ziba nayo albinism. Nise nami? Okay, akupha ngibhorile, but i-topic engiyithanda engifisayo ukuthi ngithathe. Okay, ngikhulume nge-Rufus albinism. I'm sure sike ngababona abaphila ne-albinism where it's very, very rare, njengoba ngishilo. But in as much as rare, there's about 1 to 2% worldwide ababa Rufus albinism. But it's very within that 1 to 2%. That 1 to 2% is common in South Africa. Okay, where you get orangish, orangish reddish. See, these are Rufus albinism. So they still need to take precautions afanayo nabanye abaphila nezinye inhlobo ze-albinism, right? Okay, and then we're gonna get into it, but before highlight kwe-sensitivity, ukuthi sikhumba kune-albinism si-sensitive kakhulu elangeni, kakhulu. So kubalulekile ukuthi si-protect from ilanga. Why isikhumba si-sensitive is because abantu abanombala, i-melanin yona lesinikeza umbala iyasiprotecta elangeni. Isiprotecta kanjani? Because iyenza isikhumba sithene at a cellular level, iyenza sithene ukuze siprotected. Whereas if ungenawo umbala uyasha, because awunayo no protection from melanin. So as you can see, like isithombe somuntu dark, there's more protection for melanin eningi. So mese elangeni iyaconverteka into sun tanning, protected. Whereas umlungu uyambona la, abelungu banemelanin encane nabo esikhundeni, so bayasha elangeni. The same thing happens if une-albinism ungaphandle elangeni uyasha. Okay, and kulama slides ngikhulume kakhulu about, we're going to get into imdlavuza wesikhumba. But apart from imdlavuza wesikhumba, if une-albinism, you can also get amanye conditions that are not nice aqhamuka ngokuthi ushiswa ilanga. Number 1, if ushiswa ilanga uphila ne-albinism, isikhumba sakho siyashesha ukuguga, siyashesha ukushwabana, siba bovu, and bovu okungasajike. We can't reverse it as a dermatologist. Uba bovu, ukushwabana, which we call premature aging. And ngaphandle kwalokho spots lawo nyama akhama from kusha elangeni. And then other conditions ke khona abantu thola ukuthi banezinto ezi-rough ezandleni nasenyaweni, those siwabiza ngama-solar keratosis. Lezo zinto lezo azenzeki if uyi-protector elangeni. Sengiyaqeda ngizame ukuyi-summarize in as much as I can. Yeah. So going into umdlavuza wesikhumba, siwubona kanjani umdlavuza wesikhumba? It's very important ukuthi uye ku-dermatologist. I believe iningi labakhona labaphila ne-albinism already bakwi-database yethu e-Skin Clinic iMadadeni. If you're not, so come on, you try after this. That's very important, very, very important. And you know, you don't. I've explained to my sisters in if a person living with albinism comes to the skin clinic, they don't need a referral letter. If they come into my clinic, they just go there, book. You just go directly there and book. Right? Because essentially, I'm the one supposed to be taking care of you. The best people to take care of you is dermatologists or in combination with ophthalmologists. Right? So it is your duty and your responsibility. If you feel any albinism, go to another clinic, book yourself there. I have to see you every 6 months. Right? Okay, so on the skin cancers, one of the generally our symptoms, what I have symptoms go back money, again. Generally, if you know type 1 because for albinism, that's when you get a lot of skin cancers. But any of the types of albinism, we are told skin cancers. When albinism or albinism, you are at risk of getting skin cancers, which is why it's so important. Every 6 months to surveillance. School was on the side, right? Even if now doctors are school. This is the thing I want to have with HT. I see what see born, see treat. Skin cancer may corner, so status to see born extra aid, see treat. Mova, you want to have with school for Babula, Pula, Pila, me albinism. So, Pale, Pula, Bona, and dermatologists. Right, Ghana, we have skin cancer. These are the basal cell carcinoma. There's basically 3 types of cancer which is spread. And none of them see and another clean site. So that is not necessary if you have a dermatologist. They are proposing on A. Okay, same here. Some squamous cell carcinomas, huge ones. The chances are the plastic would have removed almost blown out all. Cases of lying, and so present that your dermatologist in sithatha isiqobo isiko Okay, and this is a nice cute little picture. One of my patients was just showing what's in documentary called that protects your face and your neck, as well as your glasses, your sunglasses. Right? So I thought it was very cute. Okay, so how do we protect ourselves? Number 1, we stay out of the sun. We say Shilo, Mrs. Magan, between 9 to 3 o'clock. But in Amashita could actually be between 10 and 2. But as dermatologists, we recommend 9 to 3 o'clock. If you double up on your sunscreen. Hence why senior sunscreen amaningi. Because we protect the enemy. In I always recommend to all my patients living with the albinism, and I show you to obtain a cross pants and abaniki palesi or to protect this as far as you can. And also this we recommend 5mm brim. So there's a snake but the brim must be 5mm so that it protects not only the face but the neck as well. And number 3, your sunglasses. Number 4, your umbrella. Umbrella. But umbrellas, long sleeve clothing, your sunglasses, and your sunscreen. and again to see udokotela wakho as soon as you can. Uyabona la angazi nabo but especially this picture 5 millimeters was for sunglasses, long sleeve clothing. So I'm very happy when patient because again, if your skin is going to look nice and fresh for long. This is a super school, this is a slow name, and this is a and this is a cancers. Okay. Okay, I've already listened to sunscreen, anything from the SPF 30 to 50, especially as an SPF 30, which still provides about 96.7 protection against the sun. So it's still quite good. Yes, could be the name and your top up, but it's very important. More people and the albinism are we don't be kind of pay sunscreen saying, you should too, my parents indoors. It's saying, nothing mean. Most of our time, even 3 times a day. Get. And then, something else that UV rays are harmful, are coming up from Iran. So we shall talk shit about but the fact that we're kind of early, it means the sun is still damaging your skin. So every single day, Iran is protected in yeah. And then also, with regards to our hairstyle, they usually recommend that you just leave your natural hair. Why? Simply because they're protecting your skin from the sun. That's it. Yeah. So in closing, guys, we expect you to go born because now I'm a patient. Every 6 months, we expect you to go born. If you don't belong to the database, that dermatology, please, as soon as tomorrow, come back with your book. Right? And then, obalekile futhi kakhulu ifukhona ingane emphakathini oyibonayo ephila ne-albinism abazali they not aware of ukuthi i-albinism iyini kufanele kwenziwe njani. You are responsible to go to the parents and tell the parents to make sure that the child is booked with a dermatologist because it's better if sibonanisa abancane kungakenzeki damage eningi. So you have to encourage abasemphakathi. That is one of the main reasons why we patient because ephinde but uyena if umanzi she'll bring you to a skin clinic uzobook. That is what I love the most tonight. So I encourage all of you guys, whether you're living with albinism or not, for the mere fact that you have the responsibility and the duty of dermatologists to make sure that they go and they are seen by dermatologists. Again, I affected this tumor, affected amehlo, it affected my follicles, the albinism. Because melanin is very important within the optic nerves. So Musa screen, part of the production the optic nerves is the pigment melanin. That's why it's when the albinism, movement disorders and disorders of madness, to strabismus. And then vision poor, especially from road and also medicinal cities and photophobia. So it's still also important to see Dr. If for the first time, I always ask you, Dr. and you are then referred to Dr. for access and improvement. So yeah, and again, yeah, so good team. If you have an issue with AMEFA, you qualify for a grant, which is very helpful because you're able to then buy something or an umbrella and all of that. So, yeah. In closing, again, skin cancer is something that is preventable. Very important to body dermatologist as soon as you can. So, yeah, cool for the opportunity. And don't have some questions if a corner. Exit. If you corner on umbuzo, I'm happy to address. Oh, yes.
Mina Dr. Benginesicelo nje sokuthi sinazo inkinga nayisikhumbeni and abanye bethu sihamba odokotela abakude kakhulu. Inkinga inkulu ukuthi siye esibhedlela mhlawumbe uthole ukuthi ubhukhelwa esinye isikhathi esikude kanti ubuhlungu bubhizi kuyakudla ngaphakathi. Siyabonga ukuthi okukhona la eduzane and siyacela ukuthi ama-appointment ethu usize, siyacela ukuthi kumele kusheshe kungafani nokuthi samele uthathe 12 months ukuthi uqale uhlinzwe nalokho uthole ukuthi ukusaka kujile ngaphakathi.
Thank you for that comment. Address it. Mina clinic, I keep patient in our for anything longer than a month. I always stress it to the sisters because those sisters are every patient, every required, it must be at the most at least a month or 6 weeks, but nothing more further than that for one of our patients. So if dermatology, they figure a testing clinic, they have a and if I data set was on Niga set because if team is in clinic, we manage the bookings. Assistants book. I'm a patient for me, but that's how I run it. Number 2, in terms of SUSA cancers, as I'm a dermatologist, there are certain types of cancers, as far as we SUSA but mesibona aggressive kakhulu and edinga ukuthi more siyesitumele grace plastics. In my experience, figure out what any of my patients it's usually 3 weeks, 2 weeks at most. So I'm not sure about the experience here, but I'm sure going forward, I'm promising you a better experience. I can't control my bookings as a grace plastics, but where I'm experiencing my patient and getting a pulmonary as a baby because remember now it's about the NCI is dangerous to dangerous. So we look at zonke. If to already that you're very concerned about and you have people's all book, maybe for whatever reason and say or whatever, you tell the sister, what's your sister, I'm worried about this Londa. It to me, but now I'm not sure because some of you are very special. Wouldn't be no, I said was all no. If you've got a lesion, it's cool, it's or worried, it's long, this goes high, or that you're very concerned about, then you can then ask, sister, if you need to say, come in and picture, if people are yeah, but I've trained my sisters very well. So I'm sure Usizo will talk about 9 getting about abuse. You be responsible. Yeah, thank you.
Ngicela siphakamise izandla singasambeni sifuna ukuyikhuluma nodokotela. Isandla sithi. Sithi isandla. Kana nencwadi ongaboni, books and letters and newspapers. Azikho ngapha ngithi. Zilapha. Ngicela ukuthi simbuze mazuthula babuze ngababili ngoba ngifuna hlale phansi manje. Zothu phelele lapha.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu igama lami ngudodoma wena ngiphuma ne-FID kaPhulusi sawubona ngithi samukele kule ndawo ngicela ukuza kudokotela concern kakhulu mina benodadewethu ababili bathi basenkosini njengamanje bathi nginawo futhi umzukulu okhona njengamanje ngicela ukuza kudokotela ukuthi ikhona yini indlela mhlawumbe noma sizolinda aze aphole umntwana sibone khona yini inkinga adibana nazo ngokwesikhumba bese treatwa masethiwa sisavele inkinga ayikho mhlawumbe siyasibone sekuba khona imijovo ethile umama esakhulelwe not about ukuthi ukuthi njengabo HIV and AIDS angithi khona lawo leyo mjovo evikela umntwana esisengaphakathi uthi okay umntwana sizomlinda aze aphume simbone ukuthi okay umntanami kulesi sibusiso kunabayizibusiso kakhulu empilweni yami kulesi sibusiso uNkulunkulu angiphe sona futhi ngizolinda mhlawumbe azabhekisane nenkinga yesikhumba bese khani ngigijima ngiyakudokotela na ngiyathokoza nje dokotela ukuthi nami ukuthi ukhona ukuthi senze ama-check-ups bese kukhona into engiphatha kakhulu ukuthi njengoba sise-private thina asinakelekile ngalendlela asinaye nodokotela noma mhlambe lolu sizo nje hambani emadabeni ukhona udokotela ozolulekelela okay sometimes ugcina usu-emotional ngendlela i-treatment esiyithola ngakhona uzizwe umncane usuyisola ukuthi bekungani ngizalapha at the end of the day uzohlala nomntana wakhe ekhaya engatholi usizo ubona ukuthi inkinga yesikhumba iyaqhubeka because njengeklinikhi bavele bathi naye i-apasi abokugeza ngayo angifika ugcobe nangayo futhi yayibona ngangalulekwa more ukuthi kufanele ngempela ngimgcine ekanjani ukuphi la kufanele aphume khona ngaphandle noma ngaphumi kufanele agqoke kanjani kufanele mhlawumbe abanye kuzekuthiwa bengafanele azakhe ukudla bathi mina angazi ngoba angifundise ekhaya bese ngibuye ngiyala endabeni yama-classes ama-classes sesithi sikhuluma sicele ukuthi siyacela ukuthi abathola ama-classes phela azoprotecta umuntu mayiselani nabo laba kanjena ngathola esibhedlela it takes me a year ukuthi ngize kube nawo mawuthi uyaya kuthiwe yazi lama-classes ayabiza you can't afford ukuthi ungawathola for umntanakho mina ngigcina umzulu sengisa u-special doctor samehlo wathi mayingiza le mali angibiza yona wathi mayisethi yamcheck-a wathi lenganayo only 2 so ngabe ngenza isiphosiso makathi ibhadana wamenzele i-double lens siyacela ukuthi kuye kuniswane futhi nodokotela laba amehlo ukuthi cha bophela asibatshangelwe le mali ayitholayo le mali yokuthi kufanele ngithengele lezi zinto zokuthi makayivikele ngenze yonke into because eFriday thina usophula asikhonanga ukuthi size sibe nalo nakekelo olungaka kumadinga impela angisho ukuthi ngiba expose kakhulu but bengifisa nje ukuthi le iMeta Foundation ngoba yengathi nayo iyagijima izifike nangani izobachazela ibabonisa ukuthi sikhona siyaphila mina I'm myself kubo ngoba vele ekhaya kithi bakhona osisi bami umzukulu wami nami ngumuntu so I feel uphatheka kahle bese siphinda futhi sena simisebenzini bekusetshenzwa khona mawukhamba ukuthi ujakhuluma vele sekathi angishone ngapha bhuti ngapha ubhuti ngabusisa awushone ngapha we so busy nayi patient yami nangubani ayabona nje sefike bani uyibone umncane that's why ekugcineni kosuku behlale endlini bangaphumeli ngaphandle.
Alright, thank you, Nyabonga. Regarding the question, I can see
sicela lesi sinisambe lesina abuze umbuzo. Sicela umbuzo guys. Hayi ama dokotela lo, this is a dermatologist. Dokotela wesikhumba. Let's go to isikhumba. Sibuze udokotela utheni. Ngiyacela ngoba siyaphuma. Yiloko sesibizele emahholo sigcina sikhala ngezindlu sikhala konke. Thina siyabantu abane-albinism that they know ukuthi masifuna lo siqonda kulowo muntu. So nje dokotela ama-panelist engiwaphethe la asemaningi. So nje ngicela sikumbuzo ingakho kuzokaba mina udokotela loke evumile nje sithanda sami animnike lo muntu azishigama uma umuthile uzophendula yomibili ukuze siqhubeke.
Ngibonge ithuba igama lami uGugu wamathula eLista eWoltrev. Ngibonge nokuthi ngibonane noDr. Mthethwa. Mthethwa, okay. Sonke isikhathi bengifisa ukuthi ngathi ngathola uDr. ufana naye. Because umntana lesikhathi encane bengekho aware ukuthi kunenkinga esikhubeni. Ngoba ngangimbona epofu nje kuphela ngebala because yena akanali balele shop kodwa unenkinga esikhubeni. Nginothise manje sefunde high school ukuthi maye kuye esikoleni ubuye pink, makusebusika ubuye purple. Yes, purple. Izandla unokuthi makushisa ilanga izandla zakhe ziyavuvukala. Makubanda kakhulu futhi ziyavuvukala bese ziba ngathi ziba namapatshuza kanje engawa-understand. Mangizama ukuya eklinikhi bafike bathi ama-tube okugcobisa abanawo. And then bathi angimlethe kukhona kumvelile ngesikhathi kumvelile fanele ngimlethe eklinikhi. Ngaze nganikeza isikhathi ngaya ekhemesti bathi eczema. So bengithanda vele ukutholela i-dermatologist bathi phakathi bengavuma. So ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthola udokotela noseduzane la ngikwazi ukufinyelela khona ukuthi semizokwazi ukumusa khona. Ngoba manje sekathalela nomntwana. Unomntwana omncane one-2 years naye sekanalento anayo naye. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga. Udokotela umbuzo ola.
Okay. Ngiyabonga. If I understood umbuzo wakho kahle ma uqonda ukuthi if umuntu ekhulelwe ikhona indlela ukuthi azi ukuthi ingane izophuma ibe umuntu ophila ne-albinism or not. Yiwona mbuzo kumbuza wona kuqaleni your first question or think you understand kanjalo. Okay, because if we wanna loyo what we call molecular studies, because remember it's a genetic issue. Kuba nama mutation kwama gene athile lawo wenza ukuthi i-melanin ingakwazi ukwakheka. So in South Africa, obviously these tests are very expensive, so awenziwa at random. But angeke ngizocomment kakhulu because manje sengiyi-dermatologist abantu abadila kakhulu with ukusamplisha abantu abakhulelwe amagayini. Back before ngizona into dermatology 7 years ago, what I remember is that ubuthatha i-amniocentesis, i-sampling to check lawo ma-genes if ukuthi uke waba nayo ingane enayo i-albinism before. Bevuma in that sense ukuthi bekusamplishe and then they send it off i-sample to check ukuthi i-mutation yaleyo gene ikhona yini. But not ukuthi wonke umuntu onovalo bayamenza khona. And remember these tests are very, very expensive, so ayenziwa routinely. Mhlawumbe izinto seyishintshile manje ngo-2024, but back then kwakwenziwa kanjalo ukuthi usunawo umntwana ophila ne-albinism and you have a concern that they do into amniocentesis, bethathe i-fluid le esiswini, sample it and send it off to check ukuthi mutation ikhona yini. So I hope that answers the question yakho yokuqala. Lesibili about i-drainage, remember nami ngiyafika la amakhulu. So, January, but my understanding is that with i-private sisikelana kabili khona beza la kumina emadadeni khona baya eNgwelezane kunama-demarcation according to indawo. So if uyakhona i-private, I'm 100% sure ukuthi udokotela wakho uzokurefer accordingly, whether you belong to the side emadadeni or kwi-demarcation le eya eNgwelezane. And odokotela base-private, I've had a very good experience now. From January, I think they're brilliant doctors. So I'm going to have in that sense. Yeah. I think you had 2 questions. And then the third comment, remember, dermatology services. That's another department. So if you have concerns concerning that needs to be addressed with party dokotela wasemehlweni. So yeah, I hope that answers your question.
Izimali lezi zangasiyabona ukuthi kakhulu azomangala ama-panelists ukuthi why nginikeze the more time than others. Kahle umongo we-albinism ulele kulabantu okufanele ukuthi basi-assiste basifundise nanokuzaleka komuntu one-albinism. Ukuthintile ukuthi kahle both parents akekho orana away ekutheni umntwana bayamlekelelana. So ngicela siphele izandla ngizocela sisele Spanish emenza ngamabono ukuthi nimbuze eqede ukukhuluma ukuze sidlule kuye with the understanding. Ukhona-ke udokotela engingani-advise ngakho mina ngingacela ukuthi musebenziseni uSimanga noNomsa ama-leaders we-albinism sector la. Ngicela nibayuze ekuthenini mhlambe kuze kuzoba nendlela e-right ukuthi banibhukhele. Lokho kuzokwenza ukuthi kube ne-order, ungafiki lo ngoba phela sesihlukumezeke kakhulu sigcina siba rude kubantu, sibe ukuthi umuntu ozokwazi ukusi-assista. So ake sibe nendlela esizokwazi noma mhlambe we can approach uLindo kwamasipala ukuthi nansi ngidokotela unasamething afisa ukisho.
Sorry, Phazamisa, Timothy, I just want to say no kulumanga yokubuka ne. Umphakathi if uphila ne-albinism, i-expectation yami ukuthi uzoya ekliniki, if uyela wena ekliniki bazokubhukhela. If ufona, please tell the sisters ukuthi uphila ne-albinism ucela ukubhuka if unendlela yofona. Why? Because we are a specialist clinic. Remember, I'll very walk into we're going to specialist. So when you call a clinic, from a clinic to Hambo, MOPD, wherever before we figure specialist. But for me, with my patient and albinism, that doesn't make sense because ultimately I'm a patient now. So that's why we get the allowance for them, they just come directly. But if you fall now to book, the sisters might say, come with clinic because I'll show you upila and albinism before form. So you can just have that out there clear. Ngicela ngiyafona ngiphila ne-albinism ngicela ku. Right? Or also the easiest thing ukuthi uye khona esiclinic ukuthi ubhukhe bese uyahamba. Okay, sorry.
Kunonkosikazi kaFowethu usefikile lapho samtshela ukuthi naye aphakamise izandla athi emzinyathi waFowethu ngithi kodwa ukuthi ulida lapha ukuthi phakathi legislator lapho ubusindi kwakamakhoba ngicela aphakamise isandla wherever la ikhona ungakuphi hayi sukuma abantwana sukuma abantwana emzinyathi msebenziseni emzinyathi kwi-office yaba-disability msebenziseni. Ngiyafisa-ke nokuthi ngichaze mhlambe umumo walama-panelists ngaphambi kokuthi ngibuze ngibize enye yawo. Mina ngicelwe u-iMentor social development, imajuba kanye ne-albinism sector yana ukuthi ngizo-director lolu hlelo lwamanje olwase-director womunye abantu that are panelists engibabizile ukuthi bazohlala ngapha ngeke umuntu engimxoshayo ngapha ngibize nje these people okuthiwa ikona abama-speakers okufanele ngisebenze ngawo bese ngiyasuka ngiyahamba ngiyethebile ngifisa uku-introducer mhlawumbe ngingakalokhu-ke ngenza ngamabomu le engiyenzayo kunebhena elisemva kwadokotela nakuleli side emva kwadokotela kunodokotela Shabalala nodokotela ngapha emva kwakho ibhena ebhalwe National Albinism Task Force KwaZulu Natal bese ithi lapha standing in unity for the freedom of all persons with albinism la KwaZulu Natal ile uZulmira akade ekhuluma ngayo lo mhlangano but ngifisa ukuthi la phambili kumele uchairperson wayo kwala KwaZulu Natal aphakamise isandla athi usefikile because ngathi there is Phumlani kaMhlomo ngicela ame la nimbone because uyena leader KwaZulu Natal leader as the chairperson wawo wonke umuntu sonke sibhawa lapha mangabe sethe akaze noma uyasithuma yini kodwa ngicela babuhlungu ame la ukuze nizokwazi ukuthi nimbone bese ehlala phansi singeqhubeka namaphenelisi wami ngicela usukume wena babuhlungu ukuze sikwazi ukuqhubeka uface umkhandlu esize ngawo ubaba umthungo yena-ke abakhetha abanga-albinism ukuthi uzobalida yes siyabonga kakhulu-ke babomhlungu bese ngifisa ukuthi ngigijima ngiyakhola nganothile njalo ama-questions wabantu ngifisa ukugijima ngiye mhlawumbe ngingakaqhubeki angishayi udokotela nodokotela kodwa ngithi kufanele kuhambe kukhona into esiyidlile sayifunda thina siyabantu abane-albinism ngicela sonke siwukhathe ukuphila ne-albinism siwukhathe u-living with u-albinism u-living asiwukhathe ngoba into that you live with thina asiyenzi i-fat and fat no-albinism sithi sizalwa sibe simhlophe so kumnandi ukuthi siyabantu abanebala elimhlophe siyabantu abane-albinism kuphelele lapho kodwa sisaqathulisana-ke ngoba phela mhlawumbe khuluma nokuthi ufunda into esuke ibhalwe umuntu i-director to that kodwa namhlanje sonke asihambe siyotshela abantu ukuthi we are persons with i-albinism and siyabantu abanebala elimhlophe ukugcizelela entweni i-question kadokotela kuma waseprivate umntwana lo mncane ngihambiseni nje uma uthola umntwana one-albinism usipha ulwazi ngaleso sikhathi aqale ahambe i-dermatologist abone udokotela wamehlo ukuze angabi nama-challenges otheni ababa nawo kuyazwakala akekho ukuthi ozokuxosha mina bangabe benixosha ngicela ningifonele ngoba la bantu angifuna ukubaphazamisa ngicela bazalwane sivumelane bangaki abantu abadevila ngaphakathi uyedwa nje bawu-2 ngicela siyenze ijustice mina ngi-activist waku-disability sector and akekho ozongishintsha lapho if ungena requisition kwamasipala noma ingena kuphi ithi i-program izoqala ngo-9 kwadlula 3 hours program eno-deaf idinga u-sign language babe babili ukuze ahlale phansi akwazi ukuresta nenganye abantu kudala umile and manje ngawa u-INETA no-social development wonke umuntu ola bangaboshwa because people they don't want to pay kahle all sign language interpreters we have to respect them and respect i-deaf sector ngoba uphethe ukuyokhama akakwazi ngoba labantu bazoyiluza i-information so njengamanje ngizothi abahambe astretch inyawo mayebuya ngicela ahlale phansi eduzane kwa-deaf sector ukuze akwazi ukucommunicate ngoba uzona and ngicela imali yakhe isikhathi ame ngaso seku-25,000 ngisaqhubeka and mina ngisaqhubeka nge-account and ngicela yini ngizosithi ingozi umele mase kuzamtshela ukuthi ubani obani kufanele aba-responsible for this. So this time ngicela ukuthi ngibize ngikhona ukuthi uzositshela kuphela into ethi uyayababona abantu abane-albinism emoshwari yakhe ne khosilo bazositshela khona enye nenye-ke usengasixoxela bangaka abathumbayo ukuze ibhizinisi lihambe woza asize siqala but ngicela ukuthi ustretche nyawo hamba nje uthi okuhamba uyashona ngapha uyahamba ujika ngapha uhlale lapha eduze kwabo ukuthi bangaki abantu abathumbayo ababulale ukuze ibhizinisi lihambe.
Angibingelele uholi ukhona ngaphakathi nomphakathi nosinda ngokwegama nguSibusiso kwaNkosi khona la eNewcastle ngisokwaSiqhalo Funeral Services esikhona la eNewcastle. Angizokwazi ukuteka mina ngoba ngibona nje ngimfishane ngizomfishane ngempela futhi lo mkhakha enguwo dinga i-society ofuthi dinga umphakathi ngoba mangathi kukhona engikwaziyo kakhulu ngaphandle kwenu umphakathi ngabe nginamanga engizofakaza mina ukuthi kuyenzeka yini ukuthi
abantu bebala
sanokusabotage DJ ulukuzwa le ndaba
angazi noma mhlawumbe yithi wathathalele mhlawumbe baye ukuthi abantu bebala ngempela na ngoba la phakathi ngaphandle ngaphakathi kukhona ukuthi kuthiwa abashoni bayanyamalala noma bayaduka ekudukeni kwabo-ke suke singazi ukuthi kuthiwa bayaphi kodwa-ke mina ngufakazi wokuthi sengike ngambona mina owebala esethuba bona abangakho bayafihlwa thiwa bayafihlwa okunye lapha kwezinye iy'ndawo-ke kwamanye ama-families ilayayenze nanoma ngabe kuthiwa kudlule oyedwa welunga labo webalele emhlophe baye bangamfihli kokhanya baye bamfihle emasekeni ilanga sentshokutshela. So bese-ke kuba kwi-society bakhona-ke lokho ukuthi unyamalele bengambonanga kanti kusuke kuvumelele abefemeli bebodwa ukuthi sizomfika ngasizona isikhathi kodwa bona ngufakazi bayathula njengathi sonke singabantu nawo bangabantu njengathi so akukho ukuthi uyanyamalala. So ngiyabonga kakhulu ngaleli thuba ukungi-invite. So angizukwa mude njengoba bengekho mude ma so kangako sibaluleke sisizwa
kukhona ingoma ethi xhalabele phansi ngqoshewe yazi bayinkinga le ngoma anathi angithi uyahamba umfundisi udokotela. Angithi ngiyakwazi lokho. Hayi baphila. Abasangeni abazalwane. Awumzama phela. Yini engayenza ukuthi udokotela ayingathola inyamazana emhlophe nje uze nayiphile.